The first one on the list on our chemistry life hacks is to add salt to make coffee taste better.
Did you order a cup of coffee? Only to find it tastes like battery acid. Reach for the salt shaker and sprinkle a few grains to your cup of joe. Salt dissolves in coffee to release sodium ions. The coffee won't be any better, but it will taste better because the sodium blocks the taste receptors from detecting the bitter notes. Do you get all teary-eyed when cutting onions? Every slice of the knife breaks open onion cells, releasing volatile chemicals that irritate your eyes and make you cry. Do you want to save the waterworks for your favorite tearjerker movie? Refrigerate onions before cutting them. The cooler temperature slows down the rate of chemical reactions, so it takes longer for the acidic compound to form and less likely to waft up toward your eyes. Cutting onions under water is another option, since the compound is released into water and not air.
And lastly, is to know how to clean your silver.
There are plenty of products out there for polishing up the silverware, but there's actually no need to buy any of them. All you need is some aluminum foil and a little bit of bicarbonate of soda, also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate. Simply add a tablespoon of bicarb and a few strips of foil to a cup of hot water. Then, drop in your tarnished silver and leave it for a few minutes. Remove, rinse, and hey, presto! Sparkling silver! So how does it work? Well, the black tarnish is silver sulfide. It slowly accumulates as the silver reacts with the sulfur in the atmosphere and food.
And that's it! We hope you learned something.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Bye!
Watch out.